To another quick tips with Blueprint Academia. So today we're going to talk about how to enter information into the program when you first get started. So once you have access and you log in as a faculty, this is the page you're going to see. This is the faculty access page. You're going to see your academic productivity. You're going to see your upcoming events. These are educational events, CMEs, ongoing projects, and your Twitter feeds that your department has subscribed to. So when you first have to start your data entry, it's going to be under portfolio. And when under portfolio, you can see that you have an educator's portfolio, you have a teaching, you have a CV, you have a QI portfolio. But when you want to enter a lot of information into the system at once, you go to your bulk uploads, which is out here in the left-hand corner. You click on that, and it's going to bring you to something like this. So each of these tabs within what you see on your screen corresponds to a tab on the academic CV. And what you can do is you can enter information 10 fields at a time, 10 line items at a time into each of these specific things. So for example, if you choose publications, and let's say you have like abstracts and posters to enter, you can go ahead and put in your the information for the abstracts right out here, including like the author order, you can whether it was a national or an international meeting, etc. Similarly, like with grants, to put in all the information that you need, including like the funding source, the type of grants, what the role of the individual was, agency, what percentage FTE funding, etc. So each of these will correspond to one element of your CV. So let us say like that is just one aspect. If you scroll down further, it gives you a couple of different options. So you can also upload the entire CV as a CSV if you already if you choose to fill up that information that way. But I think this is going to be a lot easier for individuals to fill up 10 fields at a time. This is one of the quick ways of uploading the CVs. At this time, we will have additional ways of uploading information into the CV or into the system. Please contact us at admin@blueprintacademia.com, so we will be able to help you as well. Thank you for your time, and we will see you soon on another short video.